Beds are for long term, so they should be designed for efficiency and ease of use. Benefits of raised beds: prevent soil compacting, provide good drainage, serve as barrier for snails, slugs, and other pests. Slides keep beds from washing away during heavy rain. Easier to walk because you don't have to bend that much. They look nicer. Dig the pathways and swales all around your beds and use the duck soil to raise your beds. If you wish to raise the beds even more, add soil, compost, or organic matter from elsewhere till you reach the desired height. Make size of the bed of any available material like bamboo, lumber, bricks, and other. When you raise the bed in sloped areas, you have to consider how much water is going to run down your beds from above. Make the pathways deeper to keep your garden from overflowing and for full comfort. If the area is steep, you can make the bed so high that you do not even need to bend to walk there. The most important is the topsoil. It will take in the most of the water. Make sure you make drainage for the water to run down and connect them to other pathways. Bamboo is a free material available with just a little effort. It is perfect for shaping your beds as you can get them very long and make them size you need. It is organic material, so after a few months, when it decomposes, the nutrients from the bamboo will go into the soil. If bamboo is not easily accessible in your area, you may use any other material available to shape your beds. It is extremely important that when you make your beds, you level the soil. Leveled soil makes the water on the bed sink in where it is. If the soil is not leveled, the water will pool in lower places and these parts will get too much water, while other parts of the bed will get too little. The LASAGNA bed is a method of organic farming that does not require the soil to be cultivated. It consists of building the soil in layers with different materials that in turn will be decomposed little by little, and the plants will take the necessary nutrients from their development. The different layers in a LASAGNA bed. Manure. High in nitrogen, which is critical for microorganisms to break down carbon-based materials. As the soil absorbs manure, nutrients are released. This enriches the soil, which in turn helps the plants. The most important benefit of using manure in the garden is its ability to condition the soil. For example, mixing manure with sandy soils helps to retain moisture levels. Adding manure to compacted soil helps loosen the soil. Manure produces increased soil carbon, which is an important source of energy that makes nutrients available to plants. Other benefits of manure include reduced runoff and leaching of nitrates in the soil. Cardboard is high in carbon and it must be combined with nitrogen materials. For example, manure for effective decomposition. Prevent grass and weeds from growing. A good way to eliminate unwanted vegetation or turn a lawn into a garden. Holds moisture. In a short time, about 5 to 6 months, the weeds and the cardboard decompose and feed the soil with organic matter. Mulch. The mulch consists of covering the ground with a layer of organic material to isolate it and protect it. It must be at least 3 to 4 inches thick. Try to combine grasses and legumes in your mulch. Reduces evaporation and retain humidity accumulated during the rains. Temperature regulator. Avoid sudden changes between heat and cold. Prevents soil erosion. Porous structure allows rain infiltration and prevents runoff. Prevents need for tilling. Keeps the veggies clean. Host to microfauna. Reduces the risk of diseases. What can be used as mulch? Grass cutting, Clearicidia, vetiver grass, lemongrass, lucina, banana body, and leaves.